Yung pinaghahandaan ko po na bodybuilding competition this year is hindi na po matutuloy at hindi po ako qualified maglaro dun. Kasi nag-failed po ako sa test nila. At sobrang daming question sa utak ko bakit nag-failed ako dun sa test na yun. Na alam ko namang never ever gumamit ako ng bad substance na alam kong pag tinake yun, hindi na ako magiging natural. Never. Ano kasi yun guys, polygraph test, siya, lie detector test, no? So,
most probably, this is under WNBF. Madami na akong clients and athletes na nag-compete under WNBF and kasama talaga sa drug testing protocol nila yung polygraph or lie detector test. Ginagamit nila to as a first-line screening tool for banned substances just like anabolic steroids, injectable or kahit orals pa yan, and even diuretics, growth hormones, and SARMs. As long as nakasama yan sa banned substance list ng WNBF, hindi ka pwedeng mag-compete under their federation. Pangalawa, it can discourage cheating ng mga enhanced athlete na gustong mag-compete sa natural competition. Kapag nalaman nila na may lie detector test or polygraph test, pwede silang magdalawang isip or maging hesitant sila na mag-compete sa WNBF unless makapal talaga yung mukha nila. Pangatlo, polygraph test acts as a cost-effective first filter and it can support urinalysis. Kasi sa totoo lang, yung totoong drug test is not cheap. Okay? So, usually, ang ginagawa nila dito is yung top 3 athletes, yun yung kinukuhanan nila ng totoong drug test. And pwede rin silang mag-random drug testing sa mga athletes. Okay? Just like for example, yung athlete ko na nanalo ng first place, after niya manalo, pagbaba niya ng stage, he is not allowed na lumabas sa venue and kailangan niya agad mag-urine test. Okay? So, doon mismo sa backstage. So, sa case niya, he failed twice. Okay? So, bumagsak na siya sa una and then stress talaga siya and nag-rebook siya and he failed again. So, dapat sa second time, alam mo na yung dapat mong gawin and dapat naging kalmado ka na if talagang natural athlete ka. But yung polygraph test doesn't really detect if nagsisinungaling ka talaga. Okay, so nadidetect niya is yung physiological response mo sa stress. So nadidetect niya yung heart rate mo and yung breathing mo. Kaya nga pag bumagsak ka sa polygraph test, it doesn't mean na hindi ka na natural and kaya may backup din yung WNBF na urine testing sa mga top players and winners. Nandiyan na yan, but still, don't be discouraged kahit bumagsak ka ng 2 beses sa polygraph test. Charge it to experience. Next time na mag-compete ka under WNBF, make sure na kalmado ka, hindi ka kinakabahan, and hindi ka stress. Okay?